Well, Tricia, I know the birds love the bird bath, but there's a lot of maintenance here to keep this thing clean.
Well, we all love birds, and regardless of where we live, we all have the same problem, leaves in our water, and some of this other stuff down here.
Now, I know you can't do anything about the leaves unless you cut down a tree or so.
Heaven forbid.
But what about all the algae?
Well, we get rid of the leaves, and then we're going to deal with the algae. The first thing we have to do is clean everything out. First, we get rid of the leaves and debris from the bath. Then we spray out as much of the gunk as possible before mixing up a mild bleach solution. We'll then use the bleach solution and a brush to scrub out the bath, removing the algae and the stains it leaves behind. A quick rinse, and we're ready to refill the bath.
Well, this definitely looks a lot better than it was before.
It does. Now, this fountain hadn't been cleaned for quite a while, so we had to up the bleach a little bit to really get some of those stains out.
Now, how can I keep it this clean, though? That's the important thing.
Well, there is a very simple solution. 3 copper pennies.
Now, how's that going to work?
Well, Danny, there's a chemical reaction that happens between the copper and the water, and it helps to delay the growth of the algae, and I think the birds really appreciate the cleaner water.
But it won't hurt the birds.
No, it won't hurt the birds at all. And you know what? I think the 3 coins in the fountain at the Trevi fountain, if it's good enough for there, it's good enough for this backyard bird bath.